What's up, you guys? So I am going to be here. I'm going to show you guys that me and my daughter are going to be packing her room, and I am super excited because we get to finally pack, and she's going to get to be able to put her toys in and all of her clothes that she's not going to be using. And my eyes look so weird. But anyways, I'm going to take you guys into her room, and I'm going to show you guys what we're going to start packing. So this is super exciting. I started packing some stuff, but all of that stuff has to go inside this box right here. And this is the stuff that she usually uses in her dirty laundry. I don't have to show you guys that, but on the other side there's her clothes and more toys going down. It's too dark, but down that way. And yeah, so all of this stuff needs to go. It's a mess in here, but yeah, we're gonna go ahead and start packing right now. I went ahead and I put some stuff inside that box. That's like basically some of my decor. And I need that lamp. I'm gonna leave that stuff right there, my daughter's gaming system, because my daughter still plays with it, and I have to take some of these things down. And yeah, so let's get to this. Alright, you guys, so today is the third day that I am going to pack, and I'm going to start packing my room. I'm going to start with my closet, and I have some shoes in this box over here, this box right here, they're just shoes that I really wear. And I'm going to go ahead and go over my clothes, and I'm going to be putting them in a bag, and I'm going to go ahead and put them in here and store them. So I'm gonna go ahead and put that right now, the clothes that I'm not using. And yeah, so I'm gonna show you guys how I do that. Okay, so this is what I have going so far. There's 3 bags right here, and these are the clothes that I will be wearing for work and just work attire there. And I'm gonna be leaving those stuff inside the bin just because it's easier for me to just carry them out. And I did leave just some shoes, and that's it. Workout shoes and shoes that I will be wearing for work, and a pair of boots. And over here, this box is literally filled with lots of shoes. And what I have going on over here is all this stuff is going to be packed. My hangers need to go, and just this. I have more other clothes washing, but this is what I'm gonna be putting back in the closet because that's my work attire. So that's what I have so far.